Hi, I hope my screen is visible and clear. 1 second, let me check my sound settings. Um, okay, hello. Yeah, I hope my voice is clear. Sorry for any like disturbances in the sound. And this is a second video on the channel. So let's rectify in the future if any mistakes are there regarding sound or video quality. Okay, I hope my screen is visible. I'm sharing currently. Okay, today is 29th November 2023, and let's analyze what are the trades possible today and then what mistakes we did. Okay, so looking at Bank Nifty, you see this is kind of narrow CPR and this is average CPR for Nifty, Bank Nifty and Nifty respectively. So kind of trending day is expected in the morning. But you never know. There can be a reversal day, by tracking all the buyers and then come back and retrace to the whatever the resistance earlier we have, and then it can move further. So it's kind of 50-50 for me. I mean, I'm not sure, really sure about trading market. But one resistance for Bank Nifty is this is a gap border, you can see long back on 16th November, we had a bearish candle there. I mean, day low. So it's kind of, sorry, kind of resistance, but you can see there is no red candle as such in the first candle. So there's no proper bearish candle to take a short trade and then book profit at previous day high or CPR. So that is how first trade. That way, I think we can avoid. But this is opening range breakout on this candle where it is breaking this gap border and as well as pivot point and then days high. Three things are broken with this candle. So this candle is worth taking the trade here. Long trade we can take, and then you can see our risk reward. Our risk is this much, and then reward is up to next pivot. I mean, now we are saying you are seeing like this has moved this much, but you know, on live market we don't know. So at least first target should be this. I could have at least booked here. I'm very impatient, but I didn't take the trade because I was in transit to office still. Today I was late to office, so couldn't take this trade. And later at this point, this is kind of almost, I mean, at this point we already know it is just starting to trend. So in this candle, 10:45 at this level I'll place. If I thought of taking here, but stop loss you can see when there are actually 2-3 supports, so you have to place at the last support, below of the last support. So this is our risk, and then our reward will be this much, which is like almost 1.6, 1.7, which is not 100%. I mean, though we know that it is going to be trending day, when it is not as per the setup, we should actually stay away from it. Other than that, it never actually gave uh, another entry to enter actually. So this is actually supply zone. You can see here 1, 2, 3 resistances it had. So this is worth taking, but again on a training day, you when it is going up continuously, it's always risky to take a trade in the opposite direction. So that's why I didn't take the trade. But next trade came when it actually broke in this supply zone. These two levels. This is a actually supply zone, not actual level. So it has completely broken this. So this is one breakout actually. So you can have breakout here, and you can put the stop loss below the supply zone, and you can aim for the next resistance is this one. This is almost 3:1:3. But the thing is, if you see the candle, the breakout is not kind of convincing that it is kind of neutral candle, but actual breakout came here. By that time, it is almost 140. And yeah, again, there's no conviction actually to take the trade because this is already 240. I mean, close to 3 p.m. 3 p.m. there can be profit booking and then it can reverse and then touch this and then go off or it actually keeps on falling. So big trending day which has broken R1, R2, R3 and on top of that it moved so much beyond R1, R2, R3. So it is kind of very risky trade to take in such days. So I just to avoid that FOMO, I just stayed away from the all these trades. And coming to Nifty, you can see on a trending day, the best place to enter is the 20 EMA plus pivot points. Here it didn't touch. Here also it was slightly away, and there will not be risk reward. And it is late afternoon, already 2:30. If we have any profit booking or staying sideways, again this is kind of risky only. This point is almost nearer to 20 EMA plus 80 EMA, 80 EMA plus pivot point. So two resistance again, one resistance, second resistance, both are broken here and kind of retraced. This is the only thing I can see. Another thing is if you combine these two as one candle, sorry, first two candles, it's kind of bullish candle above this. So you can take open drive trade because it is crossing the pivot and stop loss below the bullish candle or below the pivot. But it is again kind of risky because when if you see right, this can now you are saying it has moved, but if you see in live market, 20 EMA is kind of here. It can sometimes come back, retrace, and then go up again. Kind of risky. So very big day, big moment, but unfortunately not much setups according to our strategies. So only mistake I did was taking a short position here. It gave almost 1:1 when it went here and then immediately reversed. So that is one mistake I did. Other than that, um, I think I mostly stayed away from the market. So tomorrow, if you see, there are continuously three zones here, three supply zones here. Supply, if you see here in the past, Bank Nifty, it has fallen from here, here, here. Okay, this three lines are supply zones combined as a supply zone. So and CPR is very wide, so it can be sideways. So I was expecting sideways, but it will be a huge volatile tomorrow because there is such a bullishness in the market. And Nifty also, I'm expecting after long term, you can see both CPS are not diversified and both staying with the wide CPR. So I'm expecting tomorrow to be sideways day. After opening, I think we should look for some neutral strategies with 1% max as stop loss. So that is the trade plan for tomorrow. So I'll mark this as today's fine. And this is not so important because it's not supply zone or water reversal or something. So market mostly will ignore this level. Okay, so there are so many zones back to back. I think it is better to take a neutral trade and leave it. Otherwise, your stop losses will be hit both sides. So it is better deploy neutral strategies first thing in the morning and then leave it and then take stop loss or profit tomorrow. So that is a trade plan for tomorrow. Thank you. Bye. We'll meet in the next video tomorrow. Bye.